Hey fellow crypto enthusiast, welcome to today's quick trend analysis. Here we go. In today's video you will find out how the price of IOTA has changed and what the technical indicators SMA, EMA and Stochastic Rsi are showing. If you are not familiar with the indicators, check out the explanation videos down below in the description. Looking at the hourly time frame for IOTA, the price rapidly went down with around 4.9% in the last 24 hours, with a current price of 15.4 cents. The volume was also high, showing that this move was strong and the sellers are taking over. Looking at the hourly simple moving averages, for this time interval, the current price is below all of the simple moving averages, which looks bearish and you should keep an eye on the closest SMA. The 20 SMA will play as resistance or the price will peak above the current price, which is around 15.6 cents. However, the shorter time frames are not very accurate and the bigger time intervals like the daily should also be considered for longer price development. Jumping to the hourly exponential moving averages, the current price is below the hourly ribbon, which is generally bearish and the ribbon could play as a resistance, so it is to watch if the price will bounce off it or break it. The current price to watch is around 15.7 cents. The ribbon is relatively spread out, so the resistance should be considered. Looking at the hourly Stochastic Rsi, the Stochastic Rsi currently shows no overbought or oversold conditions, but the %K line is over the %D line, which means the current trend is to the upside. Jumping to the 3-hourly simple moving averages, the current price is between the 200 and the 20 SMA. If the price bounces off the 200 SMA, which is currently at 15.0 cents, it could be seen as a support, and the 20 SMA that is at 15.8 cents could be seen as a resistance to the upside. Breaking either way signals a possible further move to the corresponding direction. Important to note is that the price is currently above the 200 SMA, which can play as a strong support. However, breaking it decisively to the downside will signal a potential big move down. Looking at the 3-hourly exponential moving averages, the current price is below the 3-hourly ribbon, which is generally bearish and the ribbon could play as a resistance, so it is to watch if the price will bounce off it or break it. The current price to watch is around 15.9 cents. However, the ribbon is compressed, which means the current trend is not very strong and a trend change could be expected. Moving to the 3-hourly Stochastic Rsi, both the %K and %D lines are currently very low, which means that the price is oversold and a trend change or at least some kind of consolidation is to be expected. However, the K line still hasn't crossed the D line, so you should wait to see if the trend will actually change to the upside. Looking at the daily simple moving averages, the current price is between the 20 and the 50 SMA. If the price bounces off the 20 SMA, which is currently at 15.3 cents, it could be seen as a support, and the 50 SMA that is at 16.7 cents could be seen as a resistance to the upside. Breaking either way signals a possible further move to the corresponding direction. Jumping to the daily exponential moving averages, the price at the moment is situated below the daily ribbon, which is usually bearish, and the ribbon can act as a resistance, so you should keep an eye on if the price will break it or bounce of it. The current price to watch is around 17.5 cents. However, the ribbon is compressed, which means the current trend is not very strong and a trend change could be expected. Generally, when the price moves sideways, the ribbon gets less accurate. Moving to the daily Stochastic Rsi, the Stochastic Rsi currently shows no overbought or oversold conditions, but we can see that the trend is currently going down because the K line is below the D line. Generally, the bigger time frames have a bigger impact on the price, so please keep that in mind when we show different time frames showing contrasting indicators. Also, the shorter time frames are only representative for the short-term trading. Thanks for watching, and know that every few hours new videos are uploaded analyzing different cryptocurrencies, so be sure to hit subscribe and not miss out. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and we'll get back to you ASAP. Also, keep in mind that you should make your own investment decisions, as cryptocurrency trading is very risky and these daily videos are only an overview of trends and are a purely technical analysis without considering the fundamentals. See you next time.